This is number 12. It got cut off a little bit when I printed it, but you can wander into my herd of goats and pick one out, whichever one you want to buy. Each goat costs $50, and you must pay an initial fee of $7 to go out to my herd and pick a goat. So using this information in the table below, write an equation in slope-intercept form that represents this situation. So we need to use this table to write an equation in y equals mx plus b. If you remember, m is slope, b is y-intercept. So we need to find our b and our m, and then write it in a slope-intercept form. So to find the y-intercept, this, where x equals 0. So we need to find our x row. We're going to find where it's 0, and we're going to circle it. Now, again, there's a lot of mistakes being made that we're taking the number next to it. That is not the y-intercept. We have to take the y value that goes with 0. If we plug in 0, we're going to get 7. So our y-intercept is positive 7. So when we write our equation, it's going to be plus 7. Now, to find our slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, the greatest formula known to man because you guys know it so stinking well. We pick 2 points. We can pick any 2 points we want right here. Boom, boom. 1, 2. Now, y is on the bottom, so y1, y2, x1, x2, just like that. Now, when we plug into our equation, another big giant mistake that gets made, y has to go on the top. So I'm going to say 57 minus 7 over 1 minus 0. So we calculate 57 minus 7 is 50 over 1. And guess what? If each goat costs $50, the slope is $50. M is 50. So to write this equation, write it right here. Y equals 50x plus 7. As long as you didn't forget the x, as long as you didn't put any capitals and you didn't put any spaces, you should have gotten that correct. Y equals 50x plus 7.